Hi everybody, and we're back with Kaylea.
Yes.
A week for your test.
A week today.
We've got one more lesson after today, by the way,
Mm-hmm.
which is on the start of next week, isn't it?
And we've got half an hour on Thursday.
Yes, half an hour for your test. That's an interesting one because some people have an hour, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Where you normally have an hour lesson.
Yeah.
So if you had an hour before your test, it's quite a long time, 2 hours out in a car, or an hour and 45 minutes, depends how you look at it. So we're kind of sticking to half an hour for your test to kind of keep your stamina levels up, isn't it?
Make sure I don't stall.
Well, so we've been doing manoeuvres today, and they're all pretty good. And the questions we started doing then, they were fine. We'll continue with them in a few minutes, actually.
Yeah.
So what's on your mind today then about your test?
I'm more excited.
More excited?
Yeah.
More excited? Are you feeling confident?
I'd like to think so.
Yeah?
I feel like I know how to drive. I know how to do the things. It's just doing it.
Well, we've been driving around Bletchley now for a while, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
And you've been doing the tricky roundabouts.
Yeah.
I've been recording them. Hospital roundabout, Redmore roundabout, the NDA5, the B&Q roundabout. You've been doing them all.
Mm-hmm.
So you know them.
Yeah.
You know how to do things. The meeting situations, the junctions, they're all pretty good. So you should be confident. Yeah.
It's just doing it.
Doing it, yeah, under pressure. That's the hard bit, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So the only thing you can do is just keep doing what you're doing. When I see you next week on the last lesson, we're doing it in rush hour, aren't we? Which will be interesting. So you've been under a lot of pressure then.
Yeah. I think we've only ever done it once. We went to Newport Pagnell.
Yeah. So you're a lot better now, aren't you? Because that was I think in the first 15 hours, wasn't it? So yeah, you're doing your lesson before your test in rush hour, and we're going to spend the time in Bletchley.
Yeah.
And we're going to just do some tricky junctions and get used to it. But your driving test is actually in a quieter time of the day.
Yep.
And it's going to be a bit easier for you. But you're still going to get a few idiots.
And it's warm. So more people are out.
Oh, and that's the thing. She's already worked out. Like we're now 7 days for a driving test. She's been looking at weather forecast.
Yeah, 18 degrees in the sun.
Yeah, make sure you wear a t-shirt then. Otherwise you're going to boil, aren't you?
Yeah, but then they'll be able to see me sweating. I'm not doing that.
do what you need to do. Happy, excited, not feeling nervous. How do you think you're going to feel in the day?
Nervous.
And how are you going to control your nerves?
Just risk it.
You're going to do what, sorry?
Just risk it.
You're going to risk it?
Yeah.
If you start to get like the shakes.
That doesn't normally happen.
Doesn't normally happen?
No.
What normally causes you to get feeling like you're nervous then?
A test.
No, but how do you feel? How do you know you're getting nervous?
Because I can feel my heartbeat going like 100 miles an hour.
So your heart beats fast.
And you feel like a sinking in your stomach.
Yeah. So if you start to go deep breaths and slow it down, 4 slow deep breaths, that's going to help.
Yeah.
Bring your heartbeat back down.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's only going fast because you're getting excited and nervous at the same time.
Yeah.
So you got to bring it back down because otherwise what's going to happen in the first few minutes is that you're going to do something rash.
Mm-hmm.
Or you're not going to do anything, you're going to be switched off.
Yeah.
Because the nerves can do silly things.
Mm-hmm.
Some people switch off in the first few minutes. Some people just get excited and just race and speed in the first few minutes. And what you want to do is try and if you're feeling like you're nervous, bring it down the speed, your heartbeat. Have the radio on if you want to.
Yeah, I was going to ask if you could put it on.
Yeah, we can't put it on now because the key's not in, but yeah, we'll put it on.
Mm-hmm.
Have it on a nice easy station for you so you can have a bit of calmness because that does help people.
Yeah.
And the examiner, some examiners will say to you, do you want to talk on the driving test?
I feel like I'd say yes, it makes it a little bit easier so it feels like a normal, it doesn't feel like a test.
Yeah. But what they will do is when you come to, say, a roundabout or a junction or a meeting situation or you manoeuvre, they're going to cut this conversation short.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
While you do what you've got to do.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what you've got to do. Don't continue the conversation.
No, I get sidetracked.
Yeah, because you'll be chatting away and you'll be in the wrong gear at that point.
Yeah.
So you just got to cut the conversation short and come back to it afterwards and just say, what were we talking about?
Yeah.
And the questions, do you know your questions? You had the bonnet open a minute ago, it was great, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You went through them all that easy.
And I actually forgot to watch the video I remembered it as soon as you knocked on. I was like, the video. I was meant to watch that.
But you were fine then. You opened the bonnet quite nice, shut it quite nice. We got the tie question quite nice.
Yeah.
So you're doing fine. Everything's going fine. You just got to do it on the day.
No pressure.
No pressure. So the next video we'll see is a few days before you test them, and we'll record it at the end, see how you feel.
Yeah.
And see how if you're still feeling excited. Okay. If you want to watch any videos of Kaylea, by the way, I'll put a link at the top and in the description. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you next week.
See ya.
Bye.